right, finally made it back to Holler with Denise.
First time.
So we're gonna race.
We have to go and grab a coffee. Cinnamon. Wait. Look at the coffee. It's cinnamon, honey, vanilla latte.
Ooh. So this is the map, the setup of the trail, the park. So we are right here. So the shuttle take you up to, pretty sure, I think, here, the peak. And then you pick whatever trail you like. The owner was telling me right now they have some crazy features here, which, I don't know, I'm scared.
Okay. Hey, so of course Denise is gonna go all the way up here and she's gonna pick the double green all the way down. It's gonna be gnarly.
So I really love their setup here. So I don't think you can drive your car here. You have to hike. And the shuttle pick you up there.
Yeah, you cannot come here.
Yeah. All right, let's hike back up to the car. Look, they have a jump line right here. So you start at the top, this and jump here, step down there. Man, I love this place.
I love it. Look, they have camping.
They have a little
Glamping.
cabin or ¿cómo?
Glamping.
Glamping.
Yeah.
Okay, never heard that before, but yeah, glamping. Man, I love this place.
Me too.
So you park over there and you have to hike down to here, which is so nice. You don't hear cars here. And the weather right now is perfect. Nah, I'm gonna hit a blue. Nice. I'm gonna go get the other bike. So slippery. Alright, I went to get the e-bike. I feel much comfortable with this bike because I've been riding it for a long time already. So everything feels better than the other one. All right.
Right there.
I'll follow
you a little bit of time though.
I'll follow you.
Go for it.
This line, it was here last time I came. Woo! I got some there. Oh! Yep, he left me. It's a little slippery, so it's scary. So this guy rides here every day, so he knows this line pretty good. Woo! Nice. Okay, this wasn't here last time I came. I think I took the wrong way. Yeah. Mustang Tiger. No idea what Mustang Tiger is, but I'll go there. It's a single black line. Mustang Tiger. Woo! Yep. I like it, so it's fun so far. Oh. Ooh, there's a drop. I need to check it out first. Okay, I need more speed for it, and I'll go get it. And the scariest part about this place is it's muddy. Definitely is slippery. Big bubble right there. I didn't think it was a big. Oh, you're fine. That's fine. It's not that big, so. Where's this? Oh, it's a rocky section. Threw me off. Mustard Tiger. Now it's gonna be Wizard. Okay, I'll go for it.
The Wizard's like the hardest one.
Which one?
The Wizard.
Yeah, I'll check it out. Is that a drop?
Yep.
Have you done it?
No, I'm not that good.
I want to check it out, see what happens. Alright, this is gonna be a drop. It's not that bad. Alright, so this is a double black. I wanna do it. Damn. You don't have to go super fast to clear that. Yep, got that. That was easy. So Wizard was, it's a double black line. I don't know what else comes up right now. Pretty sure. Okay, there we go. Yep, nice. And this, so this one goes there, which you need the speed, and then either, well, it's a drop. All right, I'll try that again. Next time I come back, I don't want to climb up. Keep going. See what else they have. Okay, another. The gap is. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, not that big. Wow. Woo! This thing is big. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh shoot, I don't know about this. I need to see somebody hit it. Oh man. Okay, I'll come back. Hopefully I can get that. And then we have the crazy wall ride. So that was crazy, man. No way how. I'm not gonna try that today. Yeah, this one's the drop. You have to land kind of good and keep your speed. So the thing riding by yourself is it's a little scary because if you crash you might die, even riding with stranger people. So, and I hate it. I hate to ride by myself. Another gap. Yeah, boy. There's another jump coming up. This one is more doable. Ooh, it's a big gap. Yeah, I have to hit that jump. I used to think that this was huge, but now I see it's not that big. Alright, just gonna go for it. Alright, let's go for the drop. Alright, I'm gonna go Monster Tiger again. Oh shoot, a big snake there. Oh man, that scared me. And that was good. So you can see this is a beautiful picture. Beautiful. Most of the people ride off from there, and you land pretty good. It's a big table, man. You get a lot of air on that thing, but the lander is big too. So you have all of this. It's the lander. All right, I'm gonna try vertigo. First right, I don't know this line. You look off camber, kind of loose. Okay. Let us switch first. Oh, a little slippery. Oh, okay, now I'll go into, I don't know what line this is. How big is the gap?
It's pretty big, but the jump is pretty chill.
It's coming. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Oh man.
Yeah, that like full on.
That cush core worked wonders. Just kidding. Bro, I'm glad you're fine.
Yeah.
Dude, you're
Oh, you were so low on the road, man. What the? Wow. You were
So-
like straight up and down. You weren't.
Yeah. I needed to hit the berm higher, get more speed in. I put 3 cranks.
Oh shit. That was extra safe. Drop in. Woo. Ah. We're going for it.
No.
So let's say I have done most of the wizard line. I'm gonna try the last jumps, gap jumps. They're kind of big, but I think I can do. Here I go. Oh, woo. That was a big case. Wow. So it's a big gap. So I landed right there. Oh, that's barely made it. That was scary. That case. Oh. You got? Alright guys, this was Howler Bike Park in Missouri. So I kept by myself, but man, I had a lot of fun. They have some crazy features up there. I spent some time on the black line and it's a challenge. It's a challenge. Big jumps, gaps, big gaps. So I did the last run with some local guys. Man, I would love to come back here with some other guys. So yeah, I'm riding my e-bike. It's the only bike that I feel comfortable right now because I tried the Capra and man, I need to get used to it again. So yeah, I think we're gonna camp tonight here. And I love this setup. Beautiful place.